Hello everyone, I'm Sevinch from Khan Academy, and today I'm going to talk about how to report and block commenters on Instagram. Instagram is among the popular social media apps of recent times, and this brings a lot of followers and interactions. As such, it brings with it many disadvantages even if it has many advantages. Occasional problems can be solved by complaining. This may extend to the penalty of closing the Instagram account depending on the situation. And in this article, we'll find answers to questions such as when to report about Instagram account and how to close Instagram account. Instagram asks that you resolve disputes between you and another person who posts a photo, video, or comment that you think may violate Instagram's community guidelines. For example, if someone's comment contains inaccurate information about you, you can post a comment or send a private Instagram direct message and ask the commenter to remove the comment. If the commenter won't cooperate or the comment is clearly a violation of the community guidelines, such as a threat of violence, Instagram strongly recommends that you don't escalate the situation yourself. Instead, report the user to Instagram and have Instagram staffers review the situation. If you refuse to heed Instagram's warning and decide to attack the commenter with nasty comments of your own, you may find yourself in trouble if the commenter reports you for harassment. Before you report a commenter, review the latest community guidelines, and if you still believe the commenter must be reported to Instagram for further action, you can use Instagram's built-in reporting tools. You can report a user only from your iPhone, iPad, Android smartphone or tablet, or the Windows app. You can't report a user from the Instagram website. If you're reading comments on your iPhone, iPad, or in the Windows app and you come across a comment that violates the community guidelines, tap or click and hold down on the comment in the list and then swipe to the left. So, I'll just show you from here. For example, here I just loved the comment here, but let's say I just think that it violates the community guidelines. So click and hold down on the comment in the list, then swipe to the left the comment. So you can just see here the gray report button appears to the right of the comment, and tap the button to open the menu at the bottom of the screen, and then select the spam or scam option or the abusive content option. But here you can just see this one. I'll just tap that icon and you have these options: report this comment, restrict, block, or unfollow. So according to the situation, you can just choose one of them from there. And you have another option. Actually, you can just go to this person's page and then just click the three dots on here, and again you have a lot of options. You can restrict, block, or report, or remove the follower, or hide your story. You have so many options from there, just like that. And when you see a comment on your Android smartphone or tablet that you think violates the community guidelines, tap and hold down on the comment in the list, and the comment gets a light blue background, and a blue bar at the top of the screen tells you that the comment is selected. Tap the exclamation point to open the menu, and then tap one of the reporting options: spam or scam or abusive content. When you tap spam or scam, the menu closes and the comment disappears. Now you can get back to reading other comments. When you tap abusive content, the report comment screen opens, so you can decide how to report the comment and take any additional steps or get more information. For example, if you tap this "comment shouldn't be on Instagram," you see a list of reasons that you can choose from, such as nudity or pornography. If a commenter is obnoxious, that alone isn't a reason to report the commenter to Instagram, but you can block the commenter. Then you no longer have to read anything from that user again. As on other networking sites such as Facebook and LinkedIn, Instagram doesn't tell users that they've been blocked. You can block a user only in Instagram app on your smartphone or tablet. You can't block a user on the Instagram website. And here's how to block a user. At first, in the comments below the photo or from the comment screen, tap the username of the commenter. The username is the first text you see in the comment and is in bold text. In the commenter's profile page, tap the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen like I just showed you before, and then the menu appears. Here you can just tap block, and then that's it. You can just block from there and tap or click the less than icon to return to the comment screen, and the blocked user's comments no longer appear on the screen if you block this person. To unblock someone, follow the same steps except tap unblock in step 3. I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.